Hello everybody, dark mode has become available almost on all mobile operating systems, on Android, on iPhone, etc. But unfortunately it's not that much common on desktop operating systems. Here I will show you how you can turn on dark mode on your Mac or on your macOS. For that we have to go to the top left and tap on the or click on the Apple icon. And when you click on that, go to System Preferences. When you come here, go to the top left in that menu and go to the General part. Okay, when you open General, you can see under the Appearance, Light Mode, Dark Mode here, and you can make it automatic. It will automatically change depending on the time of the day in your region, of course, and you can make it again light mode. It is that much simple, and that's all. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Have a great day.